Today, I will tell you about the story of the elephant family. There is a family of elephants which are drinking water by the lake. The zebra also goes to the lake to drink water. The giraffe also reaches to the lake to refresh itself with the drink. This is a monkey. He is also playing funny beside the lake. Nearby, there is a bear also reaching to the lake. Far from, there is a tiger which is being on the watch. Let's go. I will catch the baby elephant. The zebra hears that. He runs quickly to help him. Help me! Help me! I'm the king of the forest. You must be afraid of me. No, we aren't scared of you. You have to leave quickly. Let the baby elephant be calm. The parents of the little elephant are here. Let's help the baby elephants, shall we? Leave out, let's come back your home. You are a cruel tiger. Therefore, the forest is calm again. Yahoo! See you later on the following video.